The Koblenz Contractor Wet Vac WD-6 C212 is a robust and versatile cleaning tool designed for professional contractors, featuring an innovative design that has been recognized with prestigious industry awards. With an impressive 6-gallon capacity and a powerful 5-horsepower motor, this vacuum delivers exceptional suction performance, making it ideal for tackling tough cleaning tasks. Its rugged polypropylene tank and tip-over resistant design ensure durability and stability, while the easy-to-maneuver swivel casters provide excellent mobility. The vacuum includes convenient storage options for its accessories, allowing users to keep everything organized and within reach during use. A unique cord management system helps eliminate clutter, making it easy to manage the extensive 20-foot reach provided by the power cord and extension wands. The Koblenz Wet Vac's 3-in-1 functionality, including a blower feature, makes it a versatile choice for handling both wet and dry messes in a variety of settings.